Welcome to our deep dive into a critical new threat, the EvilAI malware campaign. Stay tuned to understand how fake AI tools are infiltrating organizations globally. Artificial intelligence is integrated into almost every aspect of our work and lives, from productivity tools to coding assistants. But what happens when that trust in AI is exploited? Millions of people rely on AI tools daily. They've become essential for everything from generating content to streamlining complex tasks. Security researchers recently uncovered EvilAI, a malware campaign cleverly disguised as legitimate AI-related software designed to compromise your system and target organizations around the world. The explosion in AI's popularity has created both opportunities for innovation and new avenues for cybercriminals to exploit. As AI adoption grows, threat actors are leveraging AI-themed branding, fake websites, and counterfeit software to lure unsuspecting victims, capitalizing on the high demand and perceived legitimacy of AI products. Attackers disguise malicious software as useful AI applications, exploiting user trust and the growing demand for these solutions to easily infiltrate systems instead of using obviously suspicious programs. Let's define EvilAI. It's a malware campaign where fake AI-related software acts as a deceptive lure. The goal of EvilAI is purely to gain unauthorized access, not to provide AI capabilities. Victims are tricked into downloading fake AI tools, updates, or productivity software. Once installed, the malicious software begins its work, establishing persistence, communicating with external infrastructure, and collecting valuable information from the affected environment. EvilAI demonstrates how cybercriminals continuously adapt. Where they once exploited cryptocurrency or remote work trends, today, AI has become the most attractive theme for their malicious campaigns. This threat is particularly significant because it weaponizes trust, making it hard for users to spot the danger. Unlike traditional threats with obvious warnings, AI-disguised campaigns appear legitimate at first glance. As organizations rapidly adopt AI, employees might be encouraged to explore these fake productivity tools. Organizations must carefully evaluate software sources and verify the authenticity of all tools before deployment. Popularity and innovation can, unfortunately, be exploited by malicious actors. The EvilAI campaign reflects a much broader, historical trend in cybersecurity that organizations must recognize. Attackers consistently follow major technology trends, like AI integration, because they attract high attention and inherent trust, leading to increased monitoring by cybersecurity teams. This pattern of exploiting new technology is nothing new. Whenever a new technology gains popularity, attackers attempt to misuse its reputation to trick potential victims. Awareness and verification are our most critical defenses. The EvilAI campaign clearly shows how cybercriminals are adapting rapidly to the AI era, specifically by exploiting the trust placed in new technologies. By disguising malicious software as seemingly legitimate AI tools, attackers are attempting to exploit one of today's fastest-growing and most trusted technologies. For individuals and organizations, the lesson remains simple. Always verify software sources, remain cautious of unfamiliar downloads, and stay informed about emerging cyber threats. Cybersecurity awareness is vital.